po. Hello kay Lady Lou Aquesta. Sabi niya kanina para sa Dover. Ayan, babalik tayo ngayon sa ating loser,
Live coverage sa ating Losers Bracket.
losers bracket, Bayugan versus Bagger.
Bye!
So, hindi na natin test yung buzzers. So, who wants to go?
Yellow, one. Interruption.
Okay. Okay. Question number 1 is for the yellow team. Worth 10 points. How did the Samaritans receive the Holy Ghost in Acts 8:17?
Yellow, three.
Then laid they their hands on them, and they received the Holy Ghost.
The answer is correct. Question number 2 for the red team were 10 points. After Peter and John were imprisoned, what happened unexpectedly as found in Acts 4:4?
Red, one.
Howbeit many of them that believe, howbeit many of them which hear the word believe, and the number of the men was above 5,000. Was about 5,000.
The answer is correct. Question number 3 for the yellow team were 10 points. One of the characters from our course of study committed the sin of simony. What is the judgment for this kind of sin? According to Acts chapter 8, verse 21.
Yellow, three.
For receive at the dart and the gall of bitterness, and the demand of iniquity.
Time.
The answer is incorrect but no point deduction. Okay, foul on yellow one. So both hands should be visible on the quizzing table. Okay, question number 4 for the red team were 10 points. What action you cannot prohibit Peter and John to do according to them in Acts chapter 4 verse 20?
Red, one.
For we cannot but speak the things which we have seen and heard.
Okay, the answer is correct. Question number 5 for the yellow team were 10 points. What were the words of the Jewish believers in Acts 11:3?
Yellow, one.
saying, Thou wentest into men uncircumcised and didst eat with them.
Okay. Tama imong tubag. Tama po ba yun? Ayun, your answer is correct. May nagturo lang po sa akin. May nagturo lang po, may nagturo. Mamaya po, turo niyo Ilonggo. Mamaya po, Ilonggo naman daw po. Okay, question number 6 is for the red team. What did God do in Acts 11:30?
Red, two.
Okay, we will replace the question. Okay, question number 6, still for the red team. We're 10 points. To Peter and the angel, how did the iron gate open?
Time.
Okay, question number 7. We're 10 points for the yellow team. Describe the appointed ones as stated in Acts 1:23.
Yellow 2.
And they appointed two, Joseph called Barsabas, who was surnamed Justus and Matthias.
The answer is correct. Question number 8, last 10 points question for the red team. What things happened to Peter after Herod caught him, as recorded in Acts 12:4?
Red 2.
And when he had offended him, he put him in prison. Delivered him to 4 quaternions of soldiers to keep him, intending after Easter to bring him forth to the people.
The answer is correct. So we will now proceed to 20 points questions. Both teams can now interrupt. Okay, timeout has been called by the red team. 60 seconds for both teams.
Time.
Okay, question number 9. Question number 9 is a quotation completion question. Question.